world of Eric Carle. Around the farm. Let's look at the farm and see what we find. Look up and look down. Look around and behind. Can you find these animals? Some animals oink, some neigh, baa, or moo. And not only that, they look different too. Can you find animals that have these patterns? From one tiny seed, just look what can grow. A flower springs up from the earth down below. Do you see living things that are these colors? Red, orange, green, yellow, blue, and pink. Some birds crow at dawn or lay eggs in a nest. These birds are so busy, when do they rest? Find and count these busy birds and their eggs. Look in the water. You might see a swish, then scales and a tail. Look close, it's a fish. Can you find these fish in the pond? Farmers work hard to care for the land. It's time for the harvest. Let's all lend a hand. Can you find these young and helpful farmers? Fresh food from the farm is healthy and sweet. Come share this big meal. Please pull up a seat. Find these foods grown on the farm. Good night, busy farm. The moon shines up high, while nighttime creatures play, prowl, or fly. Do you see these animals that come out at night? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.